Check it out, Pontiac convertible fans. Gauze Garage coming to you from Classic Cars of Sarasota. This one is in inventory, and it is pretty. Look at that. It's a 400 Pontiac 400 convertible, 4-speed. They got it priced at $89,950. This is definitely a rare car. A friend of mine has a copper colored one with air. It's one of a couple hundred ever made because it is a 400 4-speed with air convertible. This is the 400 4-speed convertible, but no air on it. But still a rare one and in very nice shape. Look at that. Beautiful interior. The seating is perfect. It's hard to tell unless you're like right here, but everything fits together nice and it's very beautifully done. Got the red lines, the PMD wheels, got that beautiful 400 emblem back there. This really is a nice car, man. And it's a beautiful color, that turquoise, you know. You can imagine just showing up brand new on the streets with this thing, especially on a good South Florida cool winter day like it is today. How could you not have fun with that thing? There you have it, Pontiac fans. She's a beauty, and this is Gauze Garage. Thank you.